putting a bolt in it. See, I lay it just like that, you know. They roll my small logs up against it, then clamp it and they hold it there. But I was at Tractor Supply yesterday, not Tractor Supply, but the Harbor Freight. And I found these. I wanted some 7 inches long, that's what I needed, but they didn't have them. They had 6 inch, and these are 18 inch. So what I done, I got the 18 and I cut them off. So they go like this right here. I put it right in there and just clamp it down. Easy put on and remove there. Stick. Like that. And watch out, you can't even move it. It's stout, you know. So that's my ideal. Take the clamp. They didn't cost much, probably less than $11 for both of them. But that's a lot better than have to bolt it. Then when I want to remove it, just triple lever here, just like it right there, and triple little lever down here.